Hello students, in yesterday's video we had learned skip counting by 5. So let's see the answers of yesterday's revision. So now we will see the answers of yesterday's revision. I hope you all have colored the caterpillar and written the answers on it. Okay, then the numbers are 5, 10, 15 and after 15 I am going to skip how many numbers? 5 numbers and the answer is 20. Then 25, 30, 35 and again 5 numbers is 40. Then 45 and 50. 55, 60 and 65. And after that 70 and 75 and then 80 and 85. Now I hope all of you have counted the numbers on your fingers and could everybody do it? Okay. Today, first we will see the number line. Today's topic is skip counting and we are going to revise skip counting by 5. So, like yesterday, I have drawn a number line and on that I have written the numbers 10 to 20 and again all the animals have come to meet us. So now let us see skip counting by 5. The numbers are 10 to 20. So yesterday we stopped on number 10. So we are again going to start from number 10. So how many times am I going to jump? 5 times. So let us see. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump and 5 jump. So I have come on number 15. Yesterday we stopped on number 10. So I have started from 10 and I have come on number 15. So kangaroo is going to jump and go in front. Now again from 15. I am telling you again that from 15 again I am going to start. So from 15, 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump and 5 jump. And which number did I reach? I reached on number 20. And now the elephant will be going in front. So how many the numbers we skipped? We skipped 5 numbers and we did skip counting by 5. Again we will repeat jumping from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. I went on 15 and again from 15 I am starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I went on number 20. So this is skip counting by 5. Now we will see some examples of skip counting by 5. The first one is 153. After 153 there is a dash. 163 and 168. आता इथं काय करायचं आहे आपल्याला? After 153 मी 5 fingers घेणार आहे. Are you ready with your fingers? Okay. So after 153 नंतर 153 च्या नंतरचा नंबर घेणार आहोत. 154, 155, 156, 157 and 158. So let us see what is the answer. Yes, it's 158. Now the next is 241, 246 and 251. We have to find out the last number. Now again after 251, are you ready with your fingers? सगळ्यांनी आपले fingers ready ठेवलेले आहेत का? Okay. आता आपण सुरू करूया. After 251, skip करायचं आहे. We have to skip. We have to jump. Okay. So after 251, 252, 253, 254, 255 and my answer is 256. Let's see what is the answer. Yes, it's 256. And let's see the last sum now. 434, 439 and 449. Now after 439 again 5 fingers ready आहेत का? Okay. So after 439 पुढचा नंबर घ्यायचा आहे 440, 441, 442, 443 and 444. So let's see what is the answer. Yes, it's 444. Now revision time. So what are you supposed to do after our revision? Yes, you are going to write the answers in your rough book, which we will check in tomorrow's session. Okay, Aradhya? Also, I am telling you to watch the video 5 to 6 times so that the concepts are clear. Are you watching the videos? So, let's see the revision. Now we will do the revision sums of skip counting by 5. The first one is 367, 372 and 377. We have to find out the last answer. Now here, how many times are we going to jump? 5 times. So 367, 368, 369, 370, 371 and 372. The next is 373, 374, 375, 376 and 377. So next we are going to skip by 5 numbers. We are going to skip 5 numbers. 378, 379, 380, 381 and the answer will be 382. And you have to remember the answers because you will be writing these answers in your rough notebook. Next is 580, 585 and 595. So, after 580, we are going to skip the numbers by 5. So, 581, 582, 583, 584 and 585. I got the number 585. Now again we are going to skip count by 5. 586, 587, 588, 589 and I got the answer 590. Next is 591, 592, 593, 594 and the next number is 595. So the first answer which we got was 582 and here it is 590. Now we will see the next one 672, 682 and 687. Now after 672 again we are going to skip count by 5. So the next numbers are 673, 674, 675, 676 and 677. Now 678, 679, 680, 681 and 682. Now from 682 we are again going to skip count by 5. So the next numbers are 683, 684, 685, 686 and 687. So what are the answers did we get here? Arohi, can you answer? The answers are 367, 372, 377 and 382. Then 580, 585, 590 and 595. And the last one is 672, 677, 682 and 687. So, as usual, you all are going to write the answers in your rough notebook and we will see the answers in the next session. as I promised you yesterday, I have a surprise for you. Are you ready? So, let's see the surprise. Hope you all like the song. Did you dance with the song? If not, then play the song and dance. Yes, but you also have to say the numbers along with them. So, will you do that? Okay then, bye. See you tomorrow. Have a great day ahead.